Technology has made our lives more efficient. Everything we use is smart. From smartphones to smartwatches, from smart cars to smart homes. So, why aren't we smart with our money? What if our wallets were smart? What if they became something you never had to worry about? No more misplaced money, credit cards, driver's licenses, and no more theft. That was the idea behind Cashew Wallet. A fingerprint access, GPS-enabled smart wallet that's going to revolutionize and replace the traditional wallets we've used for centuries.
I lost my wallet twice in 6 months. Not only did I lose my money, but then cancelling my credit cards, waiting for the new ones to come, and the worst of all, the fear of identity theft. So I began my research to see what's available in the market and how I could avoid this kind of a problem in the future. There was no comprehensive solution. And that's when the idea of Cashew Wallet came about.
The Cashew Wallet is incredibly easy to use. First, download the free Cashew app on your smartphone. Then, you use Bluetooth to sync your wallet to the app. Register your fingerprint to the app, and you're ready to use your Cashew. The battery on our Cashew wallet lasts for over 9 months.
The biometric fingerprint reader and specially designed electronic latch gives you exclusive access to your wallet. Unauthorized users will be locked out immediately. For the times that your wallet is out of your line of sight, whether it be under a car seat, behind a couch cushion, or even under a pile of clothes, use the Buzz My Wallet feature within the app. Just follow the sound and you'll locate your wallet in no time. Your wallet is always connected to your phone via Bluetooth. It has sensors that work closely with our smartphone app. Every time you leave Cashew Wallet behind, your phone will ring and send you a notification, keeping you close to what matters all the time. And on the rarest occasions, when you actually lose your wallet, you can mark it as lost on our app. Crowdsourced GPS technology will put all other Cashew app users on alert for your wallet. If any Cashew app user gets within range of your wallet, you'll be sent a notification on your phone of your wallet's location.
Hi crowdfunders, I'm Alex. The goal here was to perfect the best slim wallet in terms of design and quality. This is Hello the Second. We successfully launched the first wallet via Indiegogo. The reviews were incredible. We have now perfected the design and searched the globe to source the absolute best top-grain Italian leathers that we could find. At Hello, we went from a project to create the best slim wallet to a passion and now to an obsession. The phrase, "But Alex, it's just a wallet," doesn't mean anything at Hello. We've designed the wallet so that it easily fits up to 7 cards comfortably. Your notes are placed here and they only require one fold. The wallet includes a zip pocket for your coins, keys, USBs, or anything else you wish to carry around with you. The wallet also offers RFID protection in every slot on both sides except the front, where you can place cards that don't need RFID protection. The Hello brand is derived from the first ever coin produced and the history behind that coin. The coin depicted a picture of a turtle and came from the island of Aegea in Greece. To ensure a top quality, durable wallet, we went to extraordinary lengths to perfect design at all levels. We are now ready to go to production and need your help to make Hello the Second a reality. Please like, share or comment to get the word out. And if you really want to help, purchase a wallet. Thanks.
My name is Bauman Sobi, and I am the co-creator of Clip. Clip was just an idea that me and my brother had one day sitting around and discussing what is a better way to carry the everyday wallet. We were so tired of having these huge bulky wallets in our pocket where you could see the lines, it's uncomfortable, and we really started to think. And finally we came up with the idea, wouldn't it be nice to have a wallet that attaches to your belt? While we launched the first time in Kickstarter, some of the comments that were brought up to us really made us think of how we can make this product better, and we're constantly trying to make this product better. And we'd like to talk about that. Not only Clip is a very small and slender wallet, it is so discreet and it hides part of your belt that you don't even recognize it's there. One of the features of Clip is that it is RFID protected. In this day and age where theft is so easily accessible to everyone, it is good to know that your cards won't get scanned and nobody will be reaching for it. In order for us to launch the second version of the new Clip, our goal is $10,000. One of the perks of backing us this early is you will get it at an incredibly lower price than what we would retail it for. And not only that, you would get the early versions with a nice packaging before it goes to the stores.
As guys, there are only 3 things we want to carry on us: our phone, keys, and wallet. However, let's face it, our phones just can't keep up with our active lifestyle. To combat your phone's battery life, you can either put a massive battery case on it, making it feel like a brick, or carry an external battery, adding just another thing you need to put in your pockets before leaving the house. However, what if you could incorporate a battery solution for your phone in one of the essentials we already carried with us on a daily basis? Well, we've done just that, introducing the Power Wallet by Volt Now. The Power Wallet comes in 2 styles. The Pocket Wallet is perfect for carrying the essentials, featuring 3 card slots and an ID card slot. The Slim and Sleek Folio Wallet is our more robust wallet and features 6 card slots and 2 stash pockets. Both feature high-quality pebbled leather that is strong, durable, and yet has an incredibly buttery soft feel. Our Ultra Slim Battery Bank features 4,000 mAh of capacity and measures the width of a pencil at only 8.5 millimeters and weighs a mere 2.87 ounces. It's capable of recharging most smartphones 2 full times on a single charge. In addition to the compact size, there is a built-in micro USB charging cable, so no need to remember to bring another cable with you. For iPhone users, there's an Apple Lightning adapter included, which sits flush in a storage slot in the battery when not in use. Plus, the wallet design is super convenient, as you don't even need to take out the battery to recharge it. Literally just plug your wallet into the wall when you need to recharge. The prototypes are finished and our manufacturers are ready to go. We just need your help to make it a reality. With most high-quality manufacturers, there are minimum order quantities you need to achieve in order to make your products available at an affordable price. So with your support, we can do just that. So please consider supporting us on Kickstarter, as we need your help to make the Power Wallet a reality.